Once upon a time, deep in an enchanted forest, lived a powerful lion, always on the hunt. Nearby, a gentle goat grazed peacefully under an ancient tree. But wait, dozens of glowing eyes watched from the branches. Suddenly, a huge black crow swooped down, pecking the lion's nose. The lion roared so loud the ground shook. Birds screamed. The goat panicked, and chaos exploded. The goat, in a moment of pure surprise, jumped right onto the lion's back, as the birds circled, cackling like a haunted choir. But when an ancient, shimmering fairy appeared, calming the wild frenzy with a single wave of her sparkling wand, everything changed. What a magical moment! If you loved this adventure, hit that like button, subscribe for more enchanting stories, and join our